Click on the Add Key button to initiate the key creation process. This is your first step to accessing and securing your API. Set an expiration date and time for your key. If you prefer not to set an expiration time, your API key will remain active until it is manually deleted. Now, click Generate Key. Watch as your key information magically appears, ready to be put to use. Take a moment to review the details. If everything looks good, click Save to preserve your newly generated key. And there you have it. You've successfully created and saved your API key. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.